Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build an automatic skeleton watch. Using this beautiful NH70 movement, we have to use a plastic adapter for this movement to fit in any NH35 series case. This adapter is not always included with the movement, and you may have to order it separately. Once the adapter is attached, you can use the NH35 holder to work on the watch. I am using a hollow dial face for this build. Let's start with removing the dial feet that are not required. I use the flush metal cutters to cut, and use the metal file to make the dial surface smooth. Attach the dial to the movement. Gently press to secure the dial face. Now, let's start attaching the hands. The hour hand first. Checking the hand movement. Now the minute's hand. Check the hand movement again. And now the seconds hand. It works! Final check to ensure all the three hands don't interfere with each other. This is the case that I have chosen for today's build. Removing the crown and the case back so the movement can go in. Gently place the case on the movement. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. I recheck again to ensure all the hands move freely. Measure the length the stem needs to be trimmed. Cut and file the stem to the required length. Once done, attach the crown to the stem and insert the stem into the movement. Place the case back rubber seal. And close the case back. I am very happy with this build. And finally, attach the watch straps, and we are done. Let me know in the comments below on what you think of this build. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.